Hello, I'm Joshua Farnsworth and I'm going to share a cool quick tip with you on how to make wedges on the bandsaw so you can wedge your tenons on your furniture in no time. Wedges look great on furniture and they really help strengthen your tenons, but they can take a really long time to make if you're using chisels and a handsaw. But with a quick little trick here, you can make dozens of them in just a few minutes on the bandsaw. So I'm going to show you that right now. You can see here that I've made a very simple sled that holds the wood. I adjust the miter gauge off a couple degrees from zero. Then using some 2-inch or thicker hardwood, I place the end grain facing the blade. I make passes through the bandsaw blade and magically nice wedges start falling off the board. After I make the first cut, I flip the wood over and make another pass. The closer I get to the edge of the wood, the sharper the wedge will be. You'll eventually get the hang of how to get the sharpest wedges. That's a really good one right there. And I use the wood to move any wedges that get stuck too close to the blade rather than using my fingers. I actually like to keep my fingers attached to my hand. As the piece of wood shrinks, it gets a little too close for comfort, so I switch to another piece. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you subscribe below, you'll be notified when my next video comes out, which is a project build. And you'll get to see these wedges being used on some wedge tenons and some mortise and tenon joints on a beautiful shaker bench. And that'll be a really fun project. If you're interested in woodworking with a mix of hand tools and power tools, visit my website at woodandshop.com, where you can find a bunch of free woodworking lessons, workshop tours of amazing woodworkers, and our very popular tool buying guides. Make sure you subscribe to my free newsletter and check out my 10 steps for getting started in woodworking. Enjoy!